Today's video from Sam4s Help, we're taking a look at PLU programming on the ER-900 series of registers. In this video I'm looking at the 940, but the process will be the same on the 920. So on these machines you have 110 buttons that can be pre-programmed as they're PLU buttons, and they can have a preset price, a preset description, which is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. There's a lot more programming in the manual that you can do, so you can assign PLUs to groups. You can set PLUs to have certain statuses. The way I tend to do those is in a block, so if I've got a load of PLUs that are all going to be in group 5, I'd do those all in one go. So we'll have another video showing you how to do that. This is a more simple video basically showing you how to add a couple of PLUs and how straightforward it is. So this machine's already been set up, so there's some existing programming on there. So we've got Carlin pint, Carlin half, and so on the machine. What we're going to do in this video is show you how to change. So PLU 10 is currently preset and with just the PLU 10 description at 0 price, and then PLU 20 is also the same. We're going to program those to be a pint of cider and half a cider at £4 and £2 respectively. Okay, so if we cancel that sale, and then you'll need a couple of things actually before I start. You'll need the alpha keyboard. If you're giving your product a description, you'll need to know where the letters are on the keyboard, and you'll also need the program key. So you need the metal key with the letter P on it. When you've got that, pop it in the key lock, turn it round to the program mode. We'll start, it doesn't matter what order you do them in, but we'll start with the description. So the descriptor programming is 300 subtotal. That tells the till you're in PLU description programming mode. You then press the button that you want to change the description of. So PLU 10, so currently it says PLU 10. We're going to call it cider pint. You pop your alpha keyboard on. Description appears there. If you make a mistake, so let's make a mistake, you've got a backspace button here, so you just go back until it's got rid of the error or the incorrect letter. So you're happy with when you're happy with your description, you press the X time or quantity time button to save, and then if that was the last PLU or the only PLU you were programming, you'd press cache to save it. We're going to program this second one here, PLU 20. So again, you press the PLU button and then you give it the description. Again, exactly the same as before, X time or quantity time to save, and then this time we press the cache because we're happy that we've finished our PLU programming. You get a little printout showing you what you've done. So PLU 10 is cider pint, PLU 20 is cider half. Now we need to give those PLUs a price. So the price programming is all under PLU menu 200. So you stay in the program mode, type in 200, press subtotal, press the first PLU you want to program. So cider pint, we're going to put that at £4. So you type in the price and you press the X time quantity time key. Now one thing to be aware of now, these machines can be set with either 1 or 2 price levels. My machine, this machine in front of us here, has 1 price level, so I only need to input 1 price. So that means I can press cache to save it. If I had got if this machine had 2 price levels, after I'd entered the first price and pressed the X time key, I'd then enter the second price and then the X time key before pressing the cache button. So if you get an error message when you're following my specific instructions, it's probably that your till's got multiple price levels. So I'll just run that by you again by programming the cider half pint price. So it is 200 subtotal. Press the PLU you want to program, enter the price, press quantity time, repeat if you have a second price level, so second price, quantity time. If you've only got 1 price level, you go straight to the cache button and that saves it. So if we turn key back round to the reg mode, press these 2 buttons, we've got cider pint at £4 and cider half at £2. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to program and use the Sam4s cash registers, some of which will be appearing on screen now. You're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.